got inches. I got inches. Go, Milo. Go, 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 go. Go, Eagles! Good morning, y'all. I just made breakfast. You got some breakfast sausage, but chicken sausage, turkey bacon, eggs, and shredded hash brown. 11-11, God, please. I've been horrible with vlogging. It's harder than I thought. I can't remember to pick the camera up. Today, I'm just going to put my clothes away, put them in the closet, start this wig. I'm gonna do a knotless wig on my sister. I probably won't get it done today because I hate braiding, so that's gonna take me forever. Not forever, but it's gonna take me longer than it would with a lock wig.
Hey guys, this is my real hair. I can't see, I'm blind.
We break it.
I don't know, we was in the crib. You see him?
We're about to go to Walmart
Wally.
to get, what are we getting? Oh, hangers, and I need some drawers for my hair stuff. And
Look at me talking about, I might get some.
I know, I ain't trying to be in there all day. Like, I be drawing. Trying to go through every,
late.
yeah. I feel like I need every little thing. It's a beautiful day out here.
It's a beautiful day in Denver, Colorado. You like it, Milo? Huh? Yeah. I just a baby. I just a baby. Hi, cutie face.
This a big
Auntie. That's Auntie baby.
This my baby. We just got back in the house.
This is the baby.
I'm about to unpack my clothes, finally. Pack my clothes, hang them up, organize everything.
Let it go, cause it's time to move on. So when I let it go, man, I gotta stay strong. Tears falling in my face when I wrote this song. Gotta give you everything, gotta give you my all. I hide my emotions and I bottle up pain. Rolling up every day cause it keeps me slick. I had to get started, I'm not gonna keep
Milo, stop licking your balls.
Get in position. Go, Milo, go, 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 go. Get it. Get him. He only lasts 2 seconds. Loser! Baby got back. I'm making a TikTok.
It's always easier to tell you lies. Let the truth be your surprise. You see me as Mr. Right. Word of advice, change your mind, cause you're blind. Might as well close your eyes. If you open them, you'll cry, cause you see through my...
I'm about to cook, and I just put my knife set together. Luxurious. Yeah. Black knives. Tonight, I'm making Alfredo. But I'm not no Alfredo hoe. I gets down. My boyfriend and sister just want some Alfredo. And it's easy to make. And they just over there, like they did something. Like they chilling so hard, like they did something.
Oh, nothing. I don't want nothing.
It's what time is it? 10:05. Who cooks? Who starts cooking at 10:05? Me. I do. But I catch another fight. Make up one I like. Yo, vlogging is so hard. Like picking up the camera is harder than I thought. Like I just be like, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm thinking about the camera all the time, but I guess I gotta get used to it.
Action. Hey guys, so today is Thursday. It's currently 12:22:22.
Shay isn't on camera because Shay looks a mess and Shay's gonna wash her hair tonight. But Shay is about to make taco. Balls.
Oh, sorry. Oh man, Milo, I'm so sorry, yo.
Y'all, I'm about to make tacos. Anybody bust real bad?
Cause you know I keep my son on my hip.
Neff.
Left son on my hip.
My sister flight got canceled, y'all. She was supposed to go home today and her flight got canceled.
Crazy.
Cause there's a snowstorm outside. What? But it was snowing real bad. I don't remember why I say I got hang time. My hair long. Yeah. I got inches. I got inches. I got inches. I feel like I didn't pick this camera up and vlog since Monday. Yeah, I'm gonna get it together, y'all. I'm gonna get it together. But we really wasn't doing it for no week. Like, we just been chilling in the house. It's been in the negatives for the last 2-3 days, and that's how long we've been in the house. I ain't messing with that weather. I went to the balcony one time, cracked the door open. It's cold, like it's really cold. My boyfriend called me boyhead the other day. Who boyhead? My hair touches my shoulders. Yo, if y'all know, then y'all know. Like my hair really used to be not even this long. Like my hair was this little. So for me to I did my sister's hair. I did the knotless wig. And let me show y'all how it came out. She's asleep right now, so I can't even show you. Like I said, she's still here because her flight got canceled. She going home on Sunday, which is on Christmas. This the wig. Yeah. Make sure y'all go shop with me, okay? Don't play with that girl. Like, come on. What? Come on. I don't even have no picture. I didn't take pictures of my sister's hair. I got like this video. Focus. Like this was during the process, but we didn't take pictures of her hair yet. Yeah, don't play with me. Like, come on. Shot with T-Lux hair, alright? Cause what is you doing? Like, come on. Let's really get into it though. Like, my hair ain't never been at my shoulders. What? I got inches for real. And let me tell you, my hair would have been longer if my mom didn't give me a perm. So I just got done making chicken thighs, the string beans, and the mashed potato. Dinner is served.
I've been a baby, lost in a lie of us, lost in no finding us.
Oh, nothing. Chilling in my new apartment. Our couch is just so comfortable. Like, if you're not following T-Lux hair, what are you doing? Like, go follow the girl. Go follow me. I'm not doing nothing though. I'm about to just sit here, chill, watch TV, eat. It's like, it's 11:54 now.
I don't even wanna wait. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up.
Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. My mind is
It's 12:06. I'm gonna make breakfast. Home fries, eggs, turkey bacon, and sausage for them. I don't like sausage. And then I need to upload the braided wig to the website. Make some TikToks for that. Bless you. We got the home fries, eggs. Woo! Sausage and bacon. She's retarded. Yeah, turkey bacon, chicken sausage.
I had to eat me a little orange.
Eggs. Home fries, burnt them a little bit, but it's cool. Go Eagles! Oh. Go Broncos! I'm just joking. Go Eagles.
Joe shit right there.
Go Broncos! Oh yeah, let me show Milo. Come here, Milo. I swear it could fit him. He just got so much fur.
That's nasty, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me on the.
Get into it. Get into it. Yeah. Tell them that you're gonna miss them on your vlog. Me on my vlog.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you.
We got my girl in the closet. Looking like a baddie. Yeah, go shop with me. TLuxHair.com. Yeah.
TLuxHair.com.
Braided wig. Yeah. TLuxHair.com. Go play. Don't play with the girl. I will be acting so shady. I'm gonna miss you by now. Okay, this is our first day outside in like Yeah, all week. We didn't come outside all week because it was like below freezing. Literally -10, -12 degrees. Like, and I said, I ain't going outside. I ain't going outside today. I'm gonna end this vlog after we drop her off because it's a sad day in the neighborhood. Like,
Gotta go back to reality.
I spent my first week in the apartment with my sister, so it was like, it felt like she lived here.
See you, sister.
Okay.
See you, sister. See you, Shay. Oh my god.
He said, look, nice, she doesn't look like a wig.
Not you repeating again.
Love you, sister. Text me when you get to security. Text me when you get to the gate. Text me before the flight leave. Safe travels, sister. I'm gonna miss you. I'm sad. My sissy boo. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you. Appreciate you. Didn't watch my other vlog, go watch my other vlog right now. And go watch my Q&A and life update. All that good stuff. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel for sure. Okay? Thanks for watching me. Bye.
But it's just best to be this way. All on my own, I can deal with my pain. I don't need nobody by my side, so it's just me, myself, and I.